right, so Dan, what are we driving here?
This is a 1940 Packard 160 Club Sedan. And they made 376 Club Sedans in the 160. And this car has had a frame-off restoration. And I'm gonna say it was probably done about 10 years ago. And it's a wonderful driving car. It has overdrive, the correct factory road and fog lights, heater, radio. It's got an electric fuel pump, which you only use to prime it up when it's been sitting. And it's so quiet, it runs so good. It does not have radial tires, but it really doesn't need them. It has bias ply tires. And I've owned the car probably 8 or 9 years. We've put a new battery in it and normal service, lube, oil change, stuff like that. I think we've serviced the cooling system, and just a wonderful driving car. It's so quiet, it's unbelievable. There isn't any rattles in this car.